woodpecker, guys. Finally. Finally, I got the woodpecker. Yeah, sure. F up, gimbal. F up now. See it effing up? Right when I got the gimbal, right? Woodpecker, right in my sights. See it right there, guys and gals. Picking away. I'm trying to get the gimbal to function. I'm not getting anywhere with it. It's such bullshit sometimes. You know, guys and gals, where'd it go? I got fog all over my glasses. I hope it's in the middle of the screen, guys and gals. I think that it is. It might be our red-bellied woodpecker. Not been over to the... I'm telling you guys, I'm dripping with sweat what I'm doing right here. I've been with the little girl, the new little girl over here. And God, I'm just dripping. It's so hot. This ought to be worth the subscribe, you guys and gals. I keep forgetting to mention the gals, and I know that 25–30% of my viewers are gals, and I don't want to ignore you gals and keep saying guys, but I think y'all used to it. Where am I, guys? I can't. I'm gonna have to quit on us because I got the shakes now. Got it. I've been waiting for this guy all this time, and now I'm having one of those little diabetic things that you get when you get the sweats and the shakes. Sugar's low. I'm not leaving. It took me a long time to get this guy to come over. God, I'm shaking. My poor gimbal. It's working overtime. Listen to the cardinals. Everybody's just pitching a fit. Okay, I'm gonna pause real quick, guys. I don't want to. There's rain coming across the lake. I'm getting in. Thought I'd share that with you. Coming.